Hi everyone, welcome back for another QBO tip. Last week we got reintroduced and recapped some of the new and upcoming features that I personally am kind of excited about within QuickBooks Online. Today we're going to dig a little bit deeper into getting you paid. AutoPay and Schedule Pay attempt to make the customer experience better when they are paying you. By lowering some of those barriers and make it easier for your customers to pay, Intuit hopes that these new features will get you paid on time more of the time. Through feedback, Intuit found that customers wanted to be able to set and forget payments. They were tired of re-entering payment information, especially on recurring bills, and that's why AutoPay and Schedule Pay functionality was added. As I stated last week, AutoPay is what it sounds like it is. Customers can set up to automatically pay you without having to enter payment info every single time. Note that this is an opt-in feature for customers. They need to choose it. There's no way for you to opt them into it. Also, this only works on recurring invoices, so you need to set that up first. Additionally, this feature is set up for QuickBooks payments, so you must have that set up as well. Make sure that your recurring invoice allows ACH or credit card payments, or both. Allowing them to pay this way will then give customers the option to save payment info and automatically pay these recurring invoices online going forward. Schedule Pay also needs QuickBooks payments set up to use, and it works for single invoices. So make sure you're allowing ACH or credit card payments, or both methods, to continue to work as well. Then send your invoice off to your customer. Now, when your customer goes to pay online, it allows them to schedule out their payment. This way, they can see your invoice and when it's due, and they don't have to remember to log back in closer to the due date if they aren't paying it right away. Less touches for them and less things for them to remember means less will get lost in the shuffle, and ultimately, you get more timely payments. Hopefully, these added new features will help you get paid. Tune in next week when we take a closer look at the new estimates and invoices workflow and the timeline for rolling that out. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you'll join me again next week.